You may be looking into your facility's upkeep, but are you really seeing the complete picture? It's hard to visualize things like asset contracts, life cycles, and service planning. But with mySchneider personalized experience, you can view it all. The single point of entry was developed to portray an accurate and customizable view of your facility's assets. mySchneider personalized experience is a portal that was built using feedback from customers like you, so that upkeeping facilities like yours gets faster and easier. Personalize your dashboard with widgets based on your day-to-day asset activity. You can favor preferred widgets and hide others as needed. Several modules organize your needs and present visual data. The Overview module on your dashboard is where you'll see your Action Center, Sites Overview, Service Coverage, Obsolescence Status, and Training and Support modules. Here you'll get alerts, product news, firmware updates, software releases, white paper releases, and updates on technical documentation. By exploring the Installed Base module, you can analyze assets by site or location and check alerts on obsolescence status and service coverage. Here we can make service recommendations based on the state of your assets, and you can directly ask for contract extension, modernization, or digital connection. The Installed Base module also lets you register your assets by reference of a product catalog. Choose the right place of installation, indicate the date of installation for the lifecycle updates, and edit the name tag of assets for easy ID. You can also navigate through asset details for relative information such as product specs, associated contracts, upcoming service visits, and your documents. Last, the Installed Base module plugs you directly into Schneider's advanced digital services that support installations. Concerning contracts, keep your eye on the scope and duration of all contracts with the Contract module. Find all your upcoming, ongoing, and past service visits through history and reports within the Service Visits module. You can even ask for a reschedule and directly export a coming visit as an Outlook invitation. And within the Training module, choose from a selection of courses and develop your skills. As a service contract customer, you'll be able to access customer support anytime. Submit tickets on technical questions, services, and portal functionality itself from a single widget. Together, we'll ensure you get an optimal view of your facility. So reach out to your Schneider Electric contact and access mySchneider personalized experience today.